what's going on, all of you lovely and amazing people? Before we get started, make sure that you go over and join the Work at Home Lounge, y'all. Always have to let people know about that group because we're doing big things over there. Tons of people are getting hired. I am just so excited about that group. There's nothing that I love more than to see people leave the brick and mortar world. Now, there's nothing wrong with working brick and mortar. I want everybody to understand that. I just know how amazing it is to be able to wake up and go brush your teeth and come in your office, sit in your pajamas, and make money. Okay, that's what I absolutely love. Not having to deal with driving to work in rush hour traffic, or dealing with driving to work in the rain, sleet, and snow, or et cetera, et cetera. I absolutely love working from home. So there's nothing that I love more than sharing opportunities with people to give them the opportunity to work from home as well. There are a lot of people over there who said that they will probably never, knock on wood, never go back to working a traditional job since they've been working from home, because it is that amazing. Okay, so definitely come over there and join the group. That way you can get advice, you can get knowledge on different companies. You can also get some exclusive job leads. You can also talk to people who currently work for companies and people who can tell you how to answer interview questions, et cetera, et cetera. So definitely come over and join the Work at Home Lounge, okay? But let's go ahead and get into this particular video. You guys, I just cashed out on my, I think this has been the third or fourth cash out that I've done with this particular gig. Now, again, this is not a part-time job. This is definitely not a full-time job. This is not a job, period. This is a way to make some extra cash from home, okay? And the thing that I love about this as well, if you guys know, like maybe teenagers, they can be 13 years old and do this. As long as they have your permission as the parent, they can actually do this, okay? And what this is, it is for, you'll basically be on a survey panel, okay? You'll be on a survey panel where you'll be answering different questions in regards to different things, okay? You might be talking about TV shows, movies, you might be talking about celebrities, current events, different things like that, okay? It's fun and it's entertaining, all right? So, again, I have been paid, I think this is the fourth time that I've been paid, and I always choose the PayPal option because they send the money to your PayPal and you can spend it just like regular money, okay? Now, they do pay you in points, but you can convert those points to, like I said, you can either get, PayPal cash where they send the money to your PayPal. You can get, like, if you buy things on Amazon frequently, you can get Amazon cards. There are several others that you can get, but those are the two that are coming to my mind right now. I know you get PayPal because I've gotten PayPal. That's all I get is PayPal. Amazon, and I think they have food gift cards as well. So if you're a person who likes to, eat out at restaurants, they have those as well, okay? Another great thing is you only need $3 to get your money. So it's not like one of those survey panels where you have to, curate, $20 in order to cash out. So you can actually cash out with very little, all right? And again, if you have a 13-year-old and you want them to try this out, definitely let them know about it. Or you even yourself, you can do this, from your phone. It's not like something that you have to have an elaborate setup to do. This is literally just for some extra spending money, okay? Now, it does take a little bit of time for you to actually get your, redeem your reward, okay? Just keep that in mind, okay? Now, if you do select the PayPal option, it doesn't take as long as it does when you're getting like the gift cards or something like that, okay? So definitely keep that in mind as well. And this is the 100% for United States of America only. So if you live outside of the United States, this is not an option for you. But if you do live in the United States of America, you can get down with the get down and go over there and get you some of this easy side cash money. I'll be sure to put the link to the blog post about this in the description box down below. Make sure that you go over and join the Work at Home Lounge. See you guys over there. Bye.